for how much rain it got yesterday and today. It looks good. It's going to be soft, super rutted, but new stadium, new dirt, so everyone's got to learn it. But I'm excited. We got a good day ahead. Trying to put in a little bit better result, just improve from last week.
And after that first qualifying, man, how are we feeling out there?
Oh yeah, it's our first time on the track, so yeah, we still got a lot of work to do. I think times will be getting faster, the track will be getting better, so yeah, we'll go out there this next one, do the best we can, but yeah, feeling good so far, and yeah, ready to get going tonight.
What do we got to do different this week?
Yeah, just to keep it off the ground. I ended up going down in that main event, and it cost me a podium, maybe even a win, so yeah. Just can't make those little mistakes, and too many good guys, and they're riding too good. So yeah, just got to put myself in a good position like I did last weekend, and yeah, just go get it done.
You guys got on a pretty sick kit this weekend. Tell me about that. You know, wrecking the Pirates to the Thor.
Yeah, it looks sweet. They killed it with this. It's awesome to see them do some, you know, other sports stuff. I love watching other sports, and the Pirates ain't too good. So hopefully we can do a little bit better than they do during the season tonight.
Yeah, so we're here in Pittsburgh. Track's a little wet. The actual tops of the jumps are pretty dry. The biggest thing right now is the transitions. Transitions are still a little muddy, so that's kind of hard to figure out. Nate, I mean, he's doing really good. We're sitting P4 after first qualifying, so we just need about a second. I think it's going to be a pretty big rhythm. He just hasn't busted out yet, but he'll get there. I'm confident with him. His start's been really good recently. Whoops have been really good this weekend, so and we're stoked on it. We're excited to see what he does and excited to see how tonight goes.
Are you guys still kind of tendering to his finger? How's that situation?
Yeah, so his finger is probably about to like 90% back. I mean, the biggest thing we're trying to avoid is another injury. So we right now are still running the handguards, these giant, big moose ear, like off-road handguards. But, you know, we just do whatever makes him feel safest and whatever makes him feel most comfortable. But, you know, he's coming back. He's doing great, so there's not much we can ask. We're just trying to build every weekend and see what the rest of the season has for us.
Yeah, here in Pittsburgh, first time. We had rain yesterday, but we wouldn't notice. It's dry. It's crazy, man. They sealed it off really tight. So, but yeah, first practice went well on the shortened program today, so I had to get out there and get some good laps and was able to get that going. So it felt great. Was able to get a pole early, which is awesome. And yeah, we got one more coming up here in a sec.
What do we got to do put it on that top step tonight?
Oh, we had a good week, man. We really did. Focused a lot, obviously, on the whoops, and we got some big whoops here tonight, so I think that's going to be important to get those right and just kind of get back on the offense. You know, I think we've been keeping it a little conservative, so I want to go out there and loosen up, have a good ride, and ride to my potential, and I think we'll be in a good spot tonight to go try to get a win.
Yeah, I feel really good. Yeah, track is actually really dry and surprisingly hard packed, so thought it would be a lot softer, rutted, but it's breaking down differently, so yeah, only one qualifying in so far. We got another one, and then straight to the night show. So excited for tonight. I feel racy, which is good, and just keep that intensity all day and into the race.
Yeah, shorter day today, no free practice, so yeah, less time to figure out the track. We've done one session, so yeah, we just kind of got the basics down. Got one more practice, and then yeah, we get ready for the night show. So far so good. Figure some more stuff out in this next practice and get ready.
How's the track?
Yeah, it's pretty bone dry, honestly. Like, they took the tarps up and it was dust flying, so some transitions are soft, but most of the track's pretty dry and hard packed, so yeah, they'll probably throw some water down it, I would hope, and get it ready for the night show.
Yeah, not a lot of things changed, honestly. Just tried to get in some longer motos this week. That was the main thing, longer motos and just hammer some more starts, and that was the main thing. Nothing really big changes. Oh yeah, man, feeling good. Didn't get free practice this weekend, so just 2 qualifying sessions. Just using it, you know, learn the track and figure out the lines, and yeah, it was good. Ready to get down in the heat race.
Yeah, feel good. Been, you know, we've been study building and felt really good that, just going out there early today, and I was hitting the jumps early and just kind of feels like my day, to be honest. I got a good start in the practice start, which was, you know, that was like needed that, so that was good. And then yeah, I ended up just jumping the whoops, and it was like once I got that down, I got the 3 under the table, and lap times kind of came. It felt pretty easy to get P3, so wasn't like a full set lap for me. So that looked good going into the heat race. Second gate pick, go out there and try and get a start like I just did in that practice, and you know, bring it to the main. Just kind of let the momentum build in the right direction.
First session was a little iffy, but the second quality like way better. I felt way better on the bike, was able to pull a sick hole shot from the outside, so that was pretty sick. I just had a couple problems with a few people getting in my way on my good laps and kind of screwed me up, but still, all in all, like knowing going into the main that I felt good on the bike, so that's all that matters really.
What do we got to do tonight to bring that championship home?
Dude, that's exactly what I did that one, get a hole shot, dude. Get a hole shot and just, I think if we just ride smooth, ride smart, we could get it, so.
Yeah, quality was okay. Not my best, to be honest. I think I finished 8th. So just struggling a little bit with the track. It's definitely not something I'm used to. So just trying to progress throughout the day. And yeah, we made it through healthy throughout the day. And 8th we'll take. And it's a long start. So hopefully we can make the most of it. And let's get a podium in the main.
We've seen you lead before. What do you got to do tonight to bring that championship home?
Yeah, just get a good start. That's the biggest thing with these races. Get a good start. Get a gap the first 2 laps. If you can get away from the chaos in the first 2 laps, you can take it home.
Feeling good, just have a first qualifying session there, got P1, feel good on the track, and right now got track getting rough, so just need to stay clean. And I don't know what I think I got a P2 or something, so just need to stay clean, and yeah, we have a good day going and try to keep this momentum going to the main event, and just need to finish on a good note this final race of the Supercross season. So yeah, just looking forward to the main event, just stay clean and have a good start and just stay clean.
What do you got to do to bring that #1 play home?
Just need to stay clean, have a hole shot and just stay clean and don't make any mistakes because track is tricky, so just need to stay clean and you'll be fine. So yeah, we're looking forward to that.
Alrighty, Cade, so we're here in Pittsburgh. You won Foxborough in absolute mutter, got a taste for victory. What do you got to do tonight to get that championship?
Just stay smooth. The track's drying up a good amount, so for qualifying, for qualifying it was pretty muddy, but now it's dry, so for the race it'll be awesome. I got the taste of victory at Foxborough. It was a complete mudder. It was so much fun. Luckily we don't have that much mud this time. We're just going to try to keep it smooth, consistent, and get a great start. We made some bike changes the last 2 weeks, so the bike's feeling a lot better in the rougher conditions because the track's pretty rough right now. The whoops are chewed out. It's deciding whether to skim or jump. So I felt really good. And just keep the ball rolling.
Ready to go in Pittsburgh. 250 East, Heat 1. Let's do it. Nice work from Nate Thrasher as he got by Vial, and he's gapped Vial substantially. Finishes ahead of Hymas Thrasher. Vial will come home 4th. Heat 2, 250 East Division here in Pittsburgh. Gates down. Where you choose to go. Here comes Max Vohland. Look at that Club MX Yamaha fly into the lead. 450s ready to roar here in Pittsburgh. Roxon's trying to sneak on the inside. Here comes Cooper Webb. 450, Heat 2, let's go! And there's good speed from Justin Cooper. Here comes the Monster Energy Star Yamaha Racer. He's working on Sexton. He's by Sexton. It's going to work. He's there, JT. He's had 1 career heat win. Now he has 2. Here we see the SMX Next athletes.
Oh no, that's Cade Johnson.
Cade, who won at the most recent race in Foxborough, Massachusetts, in those horrendously muddy conditions, down on lap 1.
Check this inside up. Oh!
Whoa!
Yeah.
And I think this would be sporting justice if he can get a victory here. It's finally time for Alexander Fedortsov to win in SMX Next.
I couldn't be more proud of him, man. Finally. He deserves it, puts in the work, and today he got it done.
Feeling is amazing, man. I'm just so happy. It's insane. I just felt great on the track all day and just have a good start and just get it done. And I wasn't actually expecting to go there and win. I was like, just honestly, with the bad luck I had before, I was like, dude, I'm just gonna ride my laps and just made it clean laps every time, and I did it, and I was like, I gotta get a little gap and just finish it, and I was like, dude, no way, dude, no way I did it. So yeah, I'm just so happy, man.
After this, there's only 1 round left. Let's do it here in Pittsburgh. It's Nate Thrasher out in front of all the Monster Energy Star Yamaha. Nate Thrasher, who won the Triple Crown in Birmingham, Alabama earlier in the year. He's getting better and better with that hand injury. He's getting stronger and stronger each week out. Tom Vial wants that elusive win. He goes for the inside. Gets the lead. Nate Thrasher comes back.
Oh, watch
this
Vial.
is a tricky turn. What do they do?
Oh, heads up from Nate Thrasher, but Vial had enough until now. Thrasher tries to throw it up the inside, but couldn't. Nate Thrasher follows him home. Max Vohland will get a career first podium.
I mean, he has every right to be upset. I mean, the kid, honestly, he took off, got the whole shot, and was running, right? And we're still just trying to get back from that finger injury. He was losing a little bit of strength, so I mean, the poor guy just had all his lines taken, and we were this close, but steps towards in the right direction. So we'll take it, and we'll head on into Salt Lake.
How was that?
Sick.
All those days at the test track figuring this thing out ended up being worth it, huh? Dude, unbelievable. I mean, first career podium, felt good all day, had good pace at the beginning of the moto, and yeah, just, you know, there was a lot of lappers out there, and RJ ended up hitting one and going down, and yeah, I just rode it in for thirds. I'm stoked, you know, it's huge.
It was a good race. I could taste the win, but we'll settle for second tonight. I gave it everything. Left everything out there, and just one mistake right here got me, and man, it was close. But yeah, we'll come away with a good result, and yeah, we'll just keep tipping away. I'm getting better each weekend, and we'll just continue to get better.
For the first time in over 40 years, main event, 450s, here we go! Sexton on the inside of Cooper Webb. Can he sneak up the inside? He cannot. Webb gets the whole shot ahead of Plessinger. Lead expands to more than 2 seconds. It's a flag-to-flag victory for Cooper Webb in Pittsburgh.
Good. Good day all around for me. Really good heat race. That was probably the highlight of the night. Felt unreal. Obviously, yeah, I kind of had that same kind of speed, I guess, early in the main, but once it broke down, I really got gapped, and yeah, just had to make my way into third as well. Had to make a few passes there, but yeah, that couldn't keep the pace of the leaders. They were running really well, and you know, hats off to them. So it was a really good day for me. I can't do much more than that for myself. I felt like the heat race I rode the best I have all year, so that's a plus, and we'll keep it going.
Crazy, man. Great race. Whole shot, led lap, start to finish, every lap. Man, it was a lot of pressure. I had 4 all over me the whole main event, and I made one mistake, you would get me. So, a bit of a relief. Extended the points, got that point speed back up. Hell of a night. Team went 1-3. That was just overall awesome night, man.